Welcome to the Fives Downtown Hotel and Residences in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Purpose of this video is to do a room walkthrough, give you some information, and do a review. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Fives Downtown Hotel in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Just for context, we have a map here. I'll circle this section right here. This is the location of the Fives Downtown Hotel. People love the location because of the proximity, as I circle this, which is 5th Avenue, the famous walkway through Playa del Carmen that has so many restaurants, shopping, so much going on, and it's a great pedestrian walkway. There's no cars, so you can walk up and down them. There's always something going on, music, food, etc. Circle this section right here. This is the beach. You are literally a 2-minute walk from the famous Playa del Carmen beach. Circle this section right here. This is the ferry dock. If you ever want to walk the 2 or 3 minutes to get down to the ferry dock to go to Cozumel for the day and check it out, there it is. You are so close to the ferry dock. And then I'll circle this section right here. This is Parque Las Fundadoras. If there's any community activities, parties, or something going on, that is where it's going on. And it also has the big famous Playa del Carmen sign and that big statue that you see on all the postcards of Playa del Carmen. So the proximity to all these hot things to do is just second to none in Playa del Carmen. Welcome to the Fives Downtown Hotel. Just got off the elevator. Give you a little view of what the hallway looks like. We are checking into room 106. We're on the first floor. This is a 1-bedroom. Talked to the guy at front desk. He said they're at 100% capacity tonight. Look at that big table. That is a long table. I believe it's a pull-out couch. It can sleep 4. And look at that kitchen. So you have a kitchenette. You have a stovetop there. You also have an oven. Interesting. You've got the fridge. So if you were staying here for extended time and you wanted to head to Mega, the grocery store just up the way, you could. And you could cook your own food if you're here for longer than a week. I believe that's a pull-out couch. I really like that accent wall there. The Fives has a really kind of funky, cool way they're decorating with their furniture and their accents and their finishes. And I'm really intrigued to see how it compares to the Fives Beach. I've done 30 videos on that resort. And this is the same company. This is the Fives Downtown. Now this is a similar layout. The bed off the living room, just like that. Either you're going to have the balcony out onto the road or in towards the courtyard. Also similar setup here, off into the suite. You've got the double vanity, double mirror right there. That's what I like. It's just clean lines. Also, you've got the shower right here. Look at that rain shower. That is huge. That's a step up there. And then you've also got the throne over here. So very impressed with the bathroom, the double vanity. That shower looks awesome. You've got the robes in there. You've also got the safe in there. If you're, like I said, here for a while, you're gonna pop your clothes in there. But there it is. This is very similar to the all-inclusive beach resort just north. Nice view out there into the bedroom. And like I said, there is the safe. So right at this point, I'm liking it. I like that it's a little bit funky. It's a little bit new wave-ish. Furniture's kind of cool. Kind of open and airy. I like that sheer there. We've got some sun coming right now. It's probably about noon at this point, but look at that. Even the lights there and the furniture, very well put together. I'm not a big carpet fan, and as a result, I like the hardwood like this. That's a really kind of long table if you're doing some work there, if you have some friends over. Also, look at that big fridge. You've got the sink, you've got the stove top, wow, and you've got the oven there. So at this point, I'm thinking it's got everything I'd want for an extended stay, a week, 2 weeks. If you were coming downtown Playa del Carmen and you want the ultimate location, that is a full-size fridge. That is bigger than I would have expected in a 1-bedroom. You've got the backsplash there. Just gonna back around. I'm liking this place. It's a big kind of airy room with some accents, well put together. Coffee maker right there for the mornings. If you have any questions, I'm going to be doing a number of other videos on the Fives downtown. Pop them in the comments section. I'm going to say ciao for now from the Fives downtown. I'm very impressed. See you in the next video.